Respected students, welcome back everyone. Today is the second part of PL 300 100% ask questions. So as I have told you that I have given this exam 3 to 4 times, and currently last month only I have given a renewal exam which I have passed with 96%. Okay, so after giving this exam for about 4 times from last 4 years, so I know that which are the 100% asked question for this PL 300 exam, and same to same questions along with same to same options will be asked there, and I am going to give some of the tricks also how to identify, how to give the answer with process of elimination or even by keywords finding also. So I have made first part. If you have not seen the first part of video, you can see it, or else you can see this part and later on go to the first part also. So now we will start. This is my certification. Even I have shown you proof. This some of the important like credential ID and these numbers I have hidden, but these are the proofs. So see, let's start with the second part. But if you are new on our channel, make sure you are subscribing and pressing bell icon for all upcoming videos, so that when I will come with third, fourth, fifth part, total more than 50 questions I am going to create. And if those 50 questions, if you are understanding or memorizing, definitely 100% you will be passed with a good score. Okay, so now let's start with the video properly. But let me tell you some of the tricks. Like, see, these questions I have made here, and answers we will discuss in the video. But let's say if factors affecting keyword is coming, then the answer will be key influencer, because key influencer chart which is there, that will be used for showing the like factors affecting and all those things, like for line chart, views for over time period and trends, all those things, and smart narrative, outliers for scatter plot. So see, first of all, let me highlight one thing, that if any question is there and you are not able to understand, so by process of elimination you can give that. Like if four options are there and you can remove two options. In KBC, one show is there of Amitabh Bachchan, there also see 50-51 option is there, so you can remove that other two options which you are not which are 100% sure that these two options will be not there, means they are not correct. So from rest of the two you can find the correct one. This is process of elimination. Or second is from breakdown questions and try to understand. Like this question is there, see, like this I have breakdown into the points, and in real time also exam you can break down and one line properly you can read and try to understand, and then you can give the answer. Okay, these are some of the tricks. Like these four keywords, from these four keywords you can channelize and understand or try to find the correct answers, and by process of elimination and break down the questions. So this is the part 2 of the video. 10 questions I am coming, 100% this question will be asked in real time. So now let's start. Okay, so okay, you have a Power BI data model that imports data from Microsoft Excel. Okay, so first of all, our data source is Microsoft Excel. Okay, you use Power Query to load a query that contains both rename and custom column. Okay, then you have loaded that into Power Query. Later, you attempt to reload the query and receive the following error message: the column category of table wasn't found. So in your Power BI, you have fetched to your Microsoft Excel, okay, in Power Query, and then afterwards it is telling that the column category of table wasn't found. So what are the two possible causes? See, read properly. They are not asking to select any one option. What are the two possible causes of the error? The first, see, now the column was removed from the source file, the column was renamed in the source file, the file is no longer in specific location, okay, and the data type of column was changed. See, if data type is also changed, then it doesn't has to do anything with this error, column category of table wasn't found. So first of all, the column was removed from source file. Okay, this is one of the option. Okay, the column was removed from source file and the file is no longer in specific location. See, this is the path issue. This is also not the option. The second option, the column was renamed in the source file. Yes, the if the rename is happening, even if your data source is SQL also, even I have worked on SQL, Snowflake, Azure, anything, even if your column is renamed or removed, the schedule refresh gets failed. Let me highlight you one thing, and this is due to this two reasons. So the correct answer for this Question is option A and option B. The column was removed or the column was renamed from the source file itself. Okay, so now let's go to the second question. You have a line chart that shows the number of employees in a department over time. You need to see the total salary cost of the employees when you hover a data point. Okay, so see, this is very simple question for guys who has worked on practically on real-time projects or even while practicing on Power BI desktop. See, when you are hovering, then there is something that black is coming. It is known as tooltip. Okay, so the correct option for this is, see, with this keyword hover over a data point, you can identify the correct option is add salary to tooltips. So with the tooltip functionality, if you are just hovering on any chart, let's say Germany is there, so total sale of that Germany and the name of the country will be shown there. So now consider a table that contains the last 2 years of sale data. You want to identify the outliers. So first of all, last 2 years of sales data is there and you want to identify the outliers. What I have, the Indian Paradise trick. What is this Indian Paradise trick? So here outlier keyword is coming. So what will be the option? Scatter plot. Okay, you can even take the screenshot of this photo. When factors affecting is coming, then key influencer. When outlier is coming, then scatter plot. See, directly try to understand the question, no doubt, but sometimes there are time issues. Only 1 hour we are getting in real time exam. So, and some of the scenario based questions which are there, they are so much big. So when you will get this type of question single handed, only of single line, so with this keyword also you will try to find out. Okay, so the correct answer is for outlier scatter plot. This is the best trick I am telling. I have personally when 4 times I have given, I have personally followed this trick only. You build a report to help the sales team understand its performance and the driver of sales. The team needs to have a single visualization to identify which factors affect success. So see, factors affecting, definitely I have told you this trick of key influencer. Okay. So see what they are telling, you need to build a report to help the sales team understand its performance and drivers of sale. So what type of visualization we can use, and you have to show on factors affecting. Factors affecting could be geographical factors or customer, anything, location and all those things. But if factors affecting is there, definitely key influencer AI chart will be used there. Fifth question, you have a collection of reports of HR department of your country, collection of reports. Okay. You need to create a visualization for the HR department that shows historical employee counts, historical. Okay. And predicts trends. Okay. Predictive analysis we have to do, and trends. So you know that in line chart we can do predictive analysis. Even that forecasting option is there. Uh, Line chart, we can even with that Python, and also you can inbuild, means if you want to do advanced level of predictive analysis. What is predictive analysis means? In future what will happen and all those things. Like yesterday only result was there of Haryana. So 10 days back, if someone would say that many people were predicting whether Congress will win or BJP will win. So that was prediction. Right now, today only that result has came. Now it will fall under descriptive because it is now past. Okay. But with this prediction and trends and historical, we are identified that the option is line chart. You have a Power BI report hosted on powerbi.com. Okay, so first of all, app.powerbi.com. So it is on cloud Power BI service. Okay, try to understand, not Power BI desktop. That displays expenses by department for department manager. The report contains a line chart that shows expenses by month. Okay, you need to enable users to choose between viewing the report as line chart or column chart. The solution must minimize development and maintenance effort. Okay. See, this is the main thing. The solution must minimize development. And second thing, the report is on powerbi.com or .com. Power BI service. Okay. Enable report readers to personalize visual. Okay, this is the correct answer. Let me highlight right now only. Because they are saying on Power BI service, create a separate report page for users to view the column chart. See, with page navigation also you can do and add a column chart and bookmark. See, even with BNC also you can do, but the solution must minimize development and maintenance effort. Okay, even maintenance effort is there. And so the most important thing is that on powerbi.com it is, and user, you need to enable user to choose. Okay, so we can't do, developer can't do, users has to do. Okay, so the perfect answer is personalized visual only. With personalized visual you can, oh sorry, client can play around. If you have created in a line chart, he can go to column chart, bar chart, anything he can select. Even he can change the field as well. Okay, so this is the correct option is personalized visual. Guys, see, very important, this line was there. It must minimize development and maintenance report. Means after 1 month client should not come and say this thing change, bookmark and all those things. So the perfect option is the personalized visual only on Power BI service. In options and setting you have to enable that. You have two Power BI reports, name report A and B, that each uses a distinct color palette. You are creating a Power BI dashboard that will include two visuals from each report. Okay, report A and report B, and two visuals from each report. You need to create a consistent dark theme for the dashboard. The solution must preserve the original colors of the report. Which two actions? See, first of all, select the dark dashboard theme, so definitely it will come. Okay, option D. And you need to use a consistent dark theme for the dashboard. The solution must use a snapshot for the browser when pinning. Okay, see, when pinning visuals to the dashboard, select use destination theme. Okay, so these are the option C, and option D is the correct answer for this. Let's go to eighth question. You have a several reports and dashboard in a workspace. You need to grant all organization users to read access to dashboard and several reports. Okay, you need to grant all organization to read access and dashboard. Okay, you assign all users the viewer role to the workspace. You create a Azure Active Directory group that contains all the users. You share each report. You publish an app to entire. See, all of the correct. You can do anything from this, but they have given three options, and option B is sorry, option D is all are correct. So whether you can give access as a viewer to the workspace, or you can create add group, means this add means Azure Active Directory group, or you can even publish app to the entire organization. There also you have to mention the group also. So all are the correct. Ninth question, you are modeling data by using Power BI. Let me tell you one thing again. Let me repeat you. These were the 100% asked question, and as it is, this question will be asked. Try to understand. If not, directly memorize it. Okay. See, this is the exam. That's the reason why I'm telling you, because in real time when you are working, that time I always suggest that try to understand the scenario and all those things. But when you are giving exam, the primary goal is that you need to pass. You should have that PL300 certification. So there you can do all the jugad and all those things. Try to understand, try to memorize, or use that Indian Paradise trick and all those things. But do properly. At the end of the day, the result must be qualification or passed. You must pass. You are modeling data by, let's go to ninth question. You are modeling data by using Microsoft Power BI. Part of the data model is large SQL Server table name order that has more than 100 million rows. Oh. During the development process, you need to import a sample data from the order table. You add a where clause to the statement. Definitely it is correct. The reason, let me tell you why. Because due to this word, they said that your data source is SQL Server. You need to import 100 million rows. During development process, you need to import just a sample of the data from order table. So definitely you have to use the filter functions there, where, because you don't want all whole 100 million rows. You just want sample of, you just want sample. So you have to pass this filter only. You have 5 reports and 2 dashboard in a workspace. You need to grant all organizational users access to one dashboard. and 3 reports. Okay, so total 2 dashboard and 5 reports are there, but only to 1 dashboard and 3 reports you have to give access. You assign all users the viewer role to workspace. No. Does this make no reason? Because if you will give access to all users as a viewer role, they will be able to see all the 5 reports and 2 dashboards in the workspace. Then it is not following our requirement of only showing 1 dashboard and 3 reports. So it is not following the rule. So the answer is no. See, these are the very simple questions. Means if you understand it properly, the Indian Paradise trick which I have told you, this trick, okay, solve answers by process of elimination or break down the questions, then you will definitely 100% you will understand the question and find the correct answer. And also with these keywords, if factors affecting, key influencer, over period time trends, line chart, automatically keyword is the smart narrative, and for outliers, scatter plot, like this. Okay, so thanks everyone for watching till end. And if you're new on our channel, make sure you're subscribing and pressing bell icon for all upcoming videos. More 3 parts are going to come on PL300. If you watch all these 5 videos, 50 plus question, definitely 100% you will score more than 700 and you will be passed in that exam. And follow us on social media, especially Instagram. Thank you everyone.